What is up, everyone? This is Multi-Tutorials here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix your mouse's left or right click button not working. So let's get right into this. So there's two ways to fix this. If you have a spare mouse, I would recommend you to put that in instead and utilize that, most likely a wired one, or it doesn't matter, right? If another wireless one either, and see if that you can go with that. If not, you can do everything with the keyboard that I'm about to mention. So basically, you want to go to your search bar you can either press the Windows button or just go to your search bar from that method and just type in device manager until you see this pop up. Once you do, you can again use your keyboard to basically go down, and the main thing that you're going to be looking for is where it says, let's find it, mice and other pointing devices, right? Like I said, you can use your keyboard to basically point down on this. So once you're in here, you want to right click into this, or again press enter to go into either properties or just get into the update driver section, which is the main one, because you are going to make sure, again, all with the keyboard you can do this, is you want to make sure it is updated and installed in the most latest version. If it is and it still doesn't work, same concept applies. You go back into this and you can uninstall the device and reinstall it. Once you've done that, go to your actual PC or laptop, wherever you're, let's presume it's a wireless or even wired, right? It's plugged in. Change the USB port it is into another USB port. It's entirely possible that maybe it's with that specific USB port that it's not working, so changing it to a different one usually will fix this issue. And then also, like I said, restart your computer and then do that as well. You guys should be good to go and not have this error persist any longer. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys have a video, please thumbs up. Go to the channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, and Multi-Tutorials out. Peace.